need from me? Because sometimes in relationships, we think we know what the other person needs. But have you asked? Have you asked your children, what do they need from you? Have you asked your spouse what they need from you? Have you asked your friends what they need from you? Have you asked your loved ones what they need from you? And are you willing to put in the work to do it? See, a lot of times we'll want it, right? Oh, yeah, they got to be there for me and they got to do this and they got to do that. But are we also being a prize? Are you somebody who's worth having as a friendship? Are you somebody who is worth being in a relationship with? We always hear people talk about how this person, oh, they're nothing and they're no good. But really, are you a person that somebody's going to want to be in a relationship with? Are you somebody that somebody will say, I'm proud to say that's my lady? Or vice versa. I'm proud to say that's my man, because they have these qualities, because of their maturity, because of their compassion, their understanding, and the list goes on and on. So if you want to get good, are you good? See, I had to pause and think about those things. See, a lot of times we'll be requesting things from people, actually demanding that people have certain things and possess things and to show up and to support. But do you show up? Do you support? Do you positively reinforce the next person? Do you support your good man? Do you support your good woman? Do you support your kids, your loved ones, your friends? It goes back and forth. Yes. Right, realist. I missed some comments. Nate says, hit the like. Sarah says, Marlene, you said a mouthful right there. Awesome, awesome. Nate says, teamwork makes the dream work. Exactly, Nate. Yes, exactly. So right, realist. Nate says, once you are able to read people, you can see who's for you. You can. It doesn't take a lot of work. It's not hard. Paying attention to people's energy. And the thing about it is that you can't, people get lazy in all relationships. Taking maybe your parents, siblings, friends, kids take parents for granted, and vice versa. In all relationships, you need to be showing up for each other. You want compassion? Do you give compassion? You want affection? Do you give affection? You want gifts? Do you give gifts? You want a good listener? Are you a good listener? You see what I'm talking about? It got to go both ways. See, that's how you maintain a good, healthy relationship. Maturity, honesty. It takes action, you know? And I've said it so many times before that love is an action word. So the question that you got to ask yourself is, what are my actions towards other people? Am I known to be kind and compassionate? Am I known to be loyal, respectful? Or am I angry? Do I always come out of a bag on people? Or do you know how to be calm and cool? You know how to keep yourself together and not jump to conclusions. Got to think about those things, because people get sick and tired of just the apologies. Let's stop making apologies in 2025 and show the actions, okay? Show the actions, everybody. So thanks, everybody, for tuning in. Short and sweet. You know how I like to do these lives, 30 minutes or less. So that was the topic today. Maintain your relationships. Upkeep it. Do the things that you should have done from the beginning. Be a good person. Be honest. Be loyal. Be respectful. Compassionate. Pour into the other. Do nice and kind deeds for one another. Be respectful. Don't think you can talk to people any way you want to and think that people are going to want to stick around. Okay? That's the honest truth. If you want good, you got to give good. Okay? Bye, everybody. I'm